Ever wondered what New York City has to offer beyond the famous landmarks? I mean, sure, everyone knows about Times Square and the Statue of Liberty, but what about the hidden gems, the local spots, the experiences that make you feel like a true New Yorker, even if it's just for a few days? That's what this video is all about. I'm Vak, and I'm your guide to experiencing the real New York City. We're diving deep into the heart of the city that never sleeps, uncovering 50 must-do activities that'll have you falling head over heels for this concrete jungle. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler looking for a fresh perspective, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking the soul of New York City. So buckle up, grab your Metro card, and let's get this adventure started. First up, we're hitting up an iconic landmark, but we're doing it right. Forget just snapping a pic from afar, we're getting up close and personal with Lady Liberty herself. We'll hop on the ferry, feel that sea breeze in our hair, and step foot on Liberty Island. Trust me, seeing this symbol of freedom up close, totally different experience. Plus, those views of the Manhattan skyline from the Crown, worth every step. Pro tip, book your tickets online in advance, like way in advance. These things sell out fast and you don't want to miss out. Trust me, I've learned that the hard way. And hey, if you've got time, swing by Ellis Island while you're there. It's right next door and packs a serious historical punch. All right, time to lace up those walking shoes because we're conquering the Brooklyn Bridge. This isn't just a bridge, guys, it's an experience. The way the sunlight hits the cables, the views of the Manhattan Bridge, and the city stretching out before you, it's pure magic. Plus, you'll be walking in the footsteps of millions before you, literally. Pro tip, start early in the morning to beat the crowds and the heat, especially in the summer. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And hey, grab a bagel and coffee from a local spot on the Brooklyn side for the ultimate post-walk reward. Now, who's ready for a little escape from the concrete jungle? We're heading to Central Park, the city's backyard and a green oasis in the middle of all the chaos. This place is huge, guys, seriously huge. We're talking 843 acres of pure bliss. You can spend a whole day here just wandering the paths, relaxing by the lake, or finding your own secluded spot to soak it all in. And the best part? It's constantly evolving. Every season brings something new, from the vibrant colors of fall to the ice skating rink in the winter. Trust me, Central Park is a must-do no matter what time of year you visit. All right, culture vultures, this one's for you. We're stepping inside the Metropolitan Museum of Art, aka the Met, one of the world's largest and most comprehensive art museums. We're talking ancient Egyptian artifacts, Renaissance masterpieces, modern art that'll make you think, you name it, they've got it. Pro tip, give yourself at least half a day here, if not more, because you'll want to get lost in all the amazing art. And hey, check their website for special exhibitions and events, they always have something cool going on. Next up, we're hopping on the Staten Island Ferry, and the best part, it's totally free. That's right, a free activity in New York City. This isn't just any ferry ride, though. You'll get some of the best views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline, all while enjoying the fresh air and maybe even catching a glimpse of Lady Liberty herself. And since you're already there, why not make a day of it? Explore the charming streets of Staten Island, grab some delicious Italian food in the historic St. George neighborhood, or visit the Snug Harbor Cultural Center and Botanical Garden. All right, guys, time to experience the magic of Broadway. There's nothing quite like seeing a live show in the heart of New York City. The lights, the music, the talent on stage, it's an experience that'll stay with you long after the curtain falls. Pro tip, check out the TKTS booth in Times Square for discounted same-day tickets. You can score some amazing deals on popular shows. And hey, even if you don't catch a show, just walking through Times Square at night, surrounded by all the lights and energy, is an experience in itself. Speaking of Times Square, we can't skip a nighttime visit to the crossroads of the world. Sure, it's crowded and chaotic, but that's all part of the charm. It's like stepping into a real-life video game with giant billboards, flashing lights, and street performers everywhere. Pro tip: if you want to experience Times Square without the daytime crowds, head there late at night. It's a completely different vibe, a little quieter, and you can actually appreciate the craziness of it all. All right, time for a unique perspective on the city. The High Line. This elevated park, built on former railroad tracks, is one of my favorite spots in the city. You get these amazing views of the West Side, the Hudson River, and even glimpses of the Empire State Building in the distance. Pro tip: come here during golden hour for the best lighting and watch the sunset over the Hudson River. It's seriously magical. And hey, check out the Chelsea Market at the south end of the High Line for some delicious food and shopping. For your daily dose of art, we're heading to the Museum of Modern Art, or MoMA as the cool kids call it. This place is a modern art lover's paradise with iconic works like Van Gogh's Starry Night and Warhol's Campbell's soup cans. Pro tip: come on a Friday evening because admission is free from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. You'll avoid the crowds and maybe even catch a film screening or a talk.